In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit decimal places in Tableau graphs. As you know, having precise data representation is crucial for making informed decisions, and Tableau offers a straightforward way to manage this. Let's dive into the process and take a look at how you can customize decimal places in your Tableau graphs. First, you'll want to open your Tableau public app. This is your starting point, and once you're in, you'll have access to all your usual data tools and resources. Upon opening the app, you'll need to navigate to your worksheet. The worksheet is where all the action happens, as it's your canvas for crafting the visualizations you need. Once you're in your worksheet, the next step is to drag your measure names to the rows area. This is essential as it sets up the data context for further manipulation. Think of the rows section as a place where you line up all the variables you'd like to explore more in depth. Following this, you'll also want to drag those measure names to the filter shelf. This action allows you to filter out unnecessary data, keeping your focus sharp and relevant to your analysis needs. Now, to get more granular, you want to select profit and sales. These are typical financial measures that often require decimal precision for accuracy. After selecting them, click OK to confirm your preferences. Doing this ensures that you're ready to apply changes specifically to these data sets. Next, you need to drag measure values to the text box. By placing it here, you're preparing the values for display in text form, which will later allow you to format these numbers to your liking. In your worksheet's pane, navigate to where you see the hash icon next to profit. Clicking on this symbol will unveil numerous options for number formatting. For now, click on number decimal. This allows you to quickly adjust the number of decimal places displayed for your profit data. But wait, there's another way to do this if you prefer. Instead of using the hover icon, you can click on the drop-down menu and select Format. Once you've clicked Format, a setting for numbers will appear. Under the Numbers section, go ahead and select Number Custom. This selection provides you with a tailored approach to define exactly how many decimal places you want. If you want to take even more control over this, you can click on the drop-down menu again and select Default Properties. From the default properties, choose Number Format, then Number Custom. This setting allows you to uniformly apply your preferred decimal place formatting across different measures in your data set. And that's it. You've successfully customized the decimal places in your Tableau graphs, ensuring your data visualization maintains its precision and clarity. By utilizing these steps, you'll find that presenting analytical findings becomes not only easy, but also more impactful. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.